Guys, so right now we just got our new place and I wanted to do like an empty house tour so you guys can see. So when you come in, this is like our 2-car garage, which you have to like park back and back, and it's so excited. And then this is the entrance. I'm like waiting for my mom and brother to come in, and you come upstairs. Dang, what is he doing? Yeah, so this is the living room area.
This is your house.
And then this is the patio. A nice little deck. And then you have the downstairs patio thing, which is cool. Yeah. We got the kitchen. My beauty room. Got a nice double fridge, which I always wanted.
Yeah, that's the kind of refrigerator I want.
Now I have to get rid of my other microwave because I don't need it no more. I got this. And then right here, this is gonna be like our office / like beauty space. And then it has like a nice little closet right here. Like a nice size walk-in closet. So when you come out of here, you have a half a bath, which looks like this. Super cute. Okay. Then you gotta go upstairs. I like the wood too, like it's like mixed. You have a closet here. You have Munchkin's room right here. He has 2 nice size closets. 2 nice size, and then he has his own entrance to the bathroom. Right here. And then you're back into the hallway. This is the washer dryer. And then the master bedroom. His and her closets. Right here. And then you have the master bathroom with 2 vanity sinks, bathtub. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys the rest when it's like actually furnished. So yeah, that's a little sneak peek.